Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today is an incredibly proud moment where we launch to you our demo vehicle. I just want to go through some of the transformations we've carried out on the Range Rover Vogue. So we're going to start off on the outside of the car and then we'll talk about all the different upgrades that we've done on the inside. So to start with, obviously looks absolutely incredible, incredibly proud of the level of work that we've achieved on the vehicle, but the transformation's truly unique. So firstly, obviously the vehicle was a pearlescent white vehicle. It was a Range Rover Vogue, and what we've carried out is the full satin paint protection film on the vehicle. This product is from Suntech. It looks absolutely incredible. The finish is obviously sublime, all we carried out from our facilities here in Cambridge. This has had full transformation, but we've also left some of the elements of gloss but still protected with the paint protection film. So obviously, as you can see, the white has all gone to the satin finish with like the stealth PPF. Then we've got the gloss black finish like on the caps here, on the panels here, as well as on the pillars. They are all protected with clear PPF. So either way, everything is all protected, and we've also done a windscreen protection film as well, which means in essence this vehicle is incredibly well protected. That paintwork underneath is going to stay absolutely perfect, and also it gives a really cool different finish to the vehicle. We've also done a badge delete on the front end of the vehicle as well as on the rear, and then obviously, as you can see, these wheels look absolutely phenomenal. We went a little bit bold with them. These are the Vossen HF2s finished in the gloss black, but however, these are actually a 24-inch wheel. We've also got a link to the tires that we've used here. These are absolutely incredible tires, guys. We've got a link in the description so you guys can get a set of these tires, because if you're looking into upgrading your vehicle's tires, these are the best you can get. So really cool, and also they do support the 24-inch vehicle like we've got here, the 24-inch Vossen wheels. They sit absolutely perfectly and the ride is still absolutely exceptional. So all their details are in the description below. Overall, a really cool difference, and we've also done a little bit of a tint on the windows as well. But overall, I'm really over the moon with those finished results. It looks absolutely exceptional, and the stance of the vehicle, the way it just sits and looks, and the presence it gets is absolutely phenomenal. So that is basically the exterior covered. So now moving on to the interior, and that is where a lot of the work has actually taken place. So on the interior, we've done a full interior detail, and we've also done a full Alcantara roof lining, including A, C and D posts. All the pillars in the vehicle have all been changed material to a black Alcantara, as well as the full roof. Obviously this vehicle has a panoramic roof, and the whole roof line has actually been done in one piece, which is no easy task. So that is all being carried out, looks absolutely exceptional. We've also done a retrim on the steering wheel, an airbag cover on the steering wheel, again bringing that Alcantara blend into the rest of the vehicle. We then have done also in the rest of the vehicle obviously the coating, so that's again a G-Technic coating over all the leatherwork to protect it, and a full interior detail. And all these different options, guys, are available on our website. Also on the inside of this vehicle, we've done a product called Target Blu Eye. So Target Blu Eye tells you where marked and unmarked vehicles are, which is really cool. Then you've also got on there the dash cam, which is a front and rear parking solution that also records when the vehicle is parked. I'm not going to go into too much detail about all these different products. We've got loads of other content on these products individually, but this vehicle is here for you guys to actually come, sit in, explore, look at, see the quality of work that we do, and get a feel for it yourself in person. And that is exactly why we have demo vehicles like this one. So the dash camera solution is in there, and obviously with it being a Range Rover, there is loads and loads of security that we've added onto the vehicle. We've got our baseball bat security system. We've also got the dash cam recording when the vehicle is parked, as well as when driving. But also what we've got is the tracking system, immobilization via the Ghost to Immobilizer, as well as loads of other different bits and pieces that we've got on the vehicle, which makes an absolute monster of a car, makes it incredibly difficult to steal with all those added layers of protection, as well as the Faraday box that we put our keys in, and obviously the bollards as well. So all of that is under the security section of our website, and then we've got all the different upgrades and the exterior styling stuff listed on the website as well. And then you've got the car care stuff like the detailing all on the website as well, guys. So loads of different stuff for you guys after watching today's video to go onto our website, explore it, see different bits and pieces we do, and also something that might suit you and your vehicle. But I think that is pretty much it covered for the vehicle on the inside and on the outside. It's been an absolute epic journey upgrading this monster, but we have done so many other cars, and that is all live on our YouTube channel as well. We don't get to film everything that comes through our workshops. However, we do our best to create as much content as we can for you. But that is the Range Rover Vogue demo vehicle, available right now, guys, for you guys to come explore, look at, see the level of work, and also you guys can actually touch and feel some of the different products and gauge exactly what is the best solution for your vehicle. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.